Okay, so we're at 10209 Round Hill Road. We're in Fossil Creek, and if you couldn't tell from my awesome hair, look at that, that's pretty awesome. It's a little windy out here. Anyways, we're here at James Keoughhan's open house. So we're about 22 minutes from downtown Fort Worth. So we're out in the countryside, and this is horse property. So why don't you come on and check it out?
Equestrian community.
So there we go. Walk around. So
all
right,
these
here's
homes
getting a little bit better here. It's kind of crazy though.
more than
A little bit of a wind tunnel.
walking trails.
See?
So, now these homes across the street don't have
Air holds
that
pretty
back
well
up
here.
to,
That's pretty
um,
awesome. All right, so this is the money
street,
shot. Check
so
it out.
That's not in the neighborhood. So the interior ones all have access to the walking trail. So I don't know if you're looking for horse property or just property, because it seems we get both of that now. In fact, this neighbor doesn't have horses, and neither does this one. And great.
And the racing
So,
bunny in the background
I
is
asked
free
them
of
how
charge.
many horses you can have. He
Comes with a
said
house.
2, but
That's
he's
part of
seen people with
you don't even have to
4.
negotiate that.
Don't know what that means.
Anyways, this is a really great
They're
property.
just,
It's 2.5 acres, 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and about 2,200 square feet in terms of the actual home. So all you looking for land, this is your shot. It's your opportunity right here. So come check it out. We're here to 3 actually today.
Right.
1 to 3. So just enjoying the beautiful Texas weather. Y'all come join us.